Friendship is the true gift. Childhood bond. Once upon a time, on the banks of the Godavari river, there was a beautiful village called Vepacheruvu. In that village lived two close friends, Madhu and Arjun. From early childhood, they studied in the same school, played in the same fields, and grew up together. Their friendship became an example for everyone in the village. Madhu was born into a farmer's family. Though life was full of hard work, he was humble, gentle, and always ready to help those in trouble. Arjun, on the other hand, belonged to a trader's family. From childhood, he had a sharp mind for calculations and business. Sometimes he was a little too confident, but his love for his friend Madhu was boundless. From the time they were small, they never left each other's side. If the teacher asked a question and Madhu couldn't answer, Arjun would try to speak for him. If Arjun struggled during exams, Madhu helped him prepare and made sure he passed. Whether it was village festivals, river baths in the Godavari, or games in the fields, their bond was admired by everyone around. As years passed, life began to move forward. The boys left their little village and went to the city for higher education. Madhu studied medicine and became a doctor. His dream was to serve the poor. Arjun studied business management and stepped into the world of trade. Though their professions were different, their hearts stayed connected. They exchanged letters, spoke on the phone, and shared their daily lives regularly. One year, a terrible flood hit their village. The Godavari river overflowed and many families lost their homes. Madhu immediately returned to the village and treated the injured with care and compassion. Arjun, however, was busy with his business in the city and did not come. After the waters receded, Madhu wrote a letter to his friend. Arjun, our village desperately needs help. If you can also contribute, many lives can be saved. Arjun hesitated as he read the letter. If I spend too much money now, what if my business suffers losses? He thought, but not wanting to hurt his friend, he sent a small amount of money. Madhu was disappointed. He wondered, why can't my friend realize that lives are greater than money? Meanwhile, Arjun thought, Madhu only thinks of service, but business and wealth are equally important. Thus, a silent distance began to grow between them. Years later, a grand village fair was organized. People from all surrounding villages came to celebrate. Madhu set up a medical camp to provide free treatment and medicines. Arjun set up a business stall, displaying his products proudly. At the fair, they came face to face. For a moment, silence hung between them. Memories of childhood flashed before their eyes, the games in the fields, the lessons in school, the laughter by the river. Madhu took the first step and said softly, Arjun, no matter what differences came between us, our friendship is greater than anything else. Arjun's heart melted. He replied with emotion, Madhu, you are right. Money and business are temporary. But our bond is the true wealth. Suddenly, tragedy struck the fair. A fire broke out, and huts caught flame. Panic spread among the people as they ran in fear. Without hesitation, Madhu rushed into the burning hut and carried out a trapped child. But in the process, he was badly injured. Arjun saw this and was shaken deeply. Forgetting his profits, forgetting his business, he immediately acted. He sold his gold chain to buy medicines and arranged for Madhu's treatment. He stayed by his friend's side day and night until he recovered. When Madhu finally opened his eyes, he saw Arjun holding his hand tightly. Arjun's voice trembled with emotion. Madhu, you have shown me the meaning of true friendship. Money is not the real gift. The sacrifice we make for a friend, that is the greatest treasure. From that day, Madhu and Arjun became closer than ever. Madhu continued his service to the poor, while Arjun supported him with financial help. Together, they became role models for their village and beyond. Moral of the story: wealth and fame are temporary. But friendship, trust, and sacrifice are the true gift of life.